How to use Visa card on Aliexpress. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to use Visa card to purchase your different items over here that you can see in Aliexpress. So first things first, open your account and click on payment. In this page, this is where you will be able to manage your different payment methods that you want to use. As you can see here, we have a cards option. Click on add new card and simply enter your card information. You can see that Visa is one of the stickers available over here, meaning you will be able to utilize your Visa card as a payment method in Aliexpress. After that, simply locate one of the products that you want to purchase, of course, and check it out or check out. And you will then be able to utilize your Visa card as one of the payment methods when you're checking or like viewing. Let's open or let's try something here. This one. Let's give it a second, and we're going to show you where you will be able to select your payment method as well. So click on buy now. Over here. And simply select your payment method that you have added over here for your Visa card. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.